Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want a modern professional resume in 2026, Canva makes it easy to create one, even without design skills. Hundreds of resumes, templates, clean modern layouts, drag and drop editor, easy PDF exports. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create a resume in 2026 in Canva cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. Okay, so what a Canva resume is. So a Canva resume is a 1 or 2 page document built using a template, customized with your information, exported as a PDF for job applications. Okay, so common sections: personal information, summary or objective, work experience, education, skills, certifications. Okay, so the goal is clarity and professionalism. Okay, so first thing, log into your Canva or account, click create. Okay, search for resume. Okay, so select a resume template size, for example this one. You will open a or the resume editor. Okay, so as you can see here we have the template. So now we have a on the left sidebar we have some templates that you can choose from. Okay, so for example you can also search, for example, professional, modern, creative. Okay, so after that you will have the results here. Okay, so let's choose one of these. Okay, choose a clean readable design. Okay, you can now click the text fields and updates. Okay, you can change anything you want. Okay, the phone number, email, location, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.